President, first of all I want to congratulate Mr Stevenson on the preparation and presentation of his report, and I fully support the recommendations contained in the report, and in particular the need to consult with the pelagic RAC and the STECF on a regular basis. The advice and input of shareholders is invaluable and results in greater compliance and support for sustainable fisheries management. The rapporteur explicitly refers to the ordinary legislative procedure because of the Council's refusal to respect the provisions of the Treaty of Lisbon. As Commissioner Dalli has said, it is an interinstitutional disagreement. Is it a question of the Council not prepared to cede power, and the loser is the fishing sector and sustainable fisheries? And as the rapporteur for a similar report dealing with the long-term management plan for Atlantic horse mackerel, I too have experienced the exact same problem. This, of course, is a crisis and must be resolved sooner rather than later. It doesn't appear it's going to be resolved in the mandate of this presidency, but having met with the Cypriot Minister yesterday, hopefully he will take ownership of this and try to resolve it. The Council, in relation to horse mackerel, favours the removal of all references to harvest control rule, which is of course so important because mackerel is known as an indeterminate spawner, and the harvest control rule is the one which we should follow. And ironically, while I agree on tax and quotas for horse mackerel over the last few years, the Council have adopted this principle, but will not accept it. So, in relation to Tuesday's meeting in Luxembourg, I have observed how certain ministers have spun the outcome of the Council meeting. The manner in which some ministers completely ignored the role of the Parliament as a co-legislator that does not bode well for the negotiations which lie ahead in the reform of the common fisheries policy. And finally, we all support the minimisation of discards, as it is in everyone's interest. The position adopted by the Council on discards is flawed. Avoidance, minimisation and escapement in the first instance is key. Landing dead fish does not contribute to sustainable fisheries management. We must endeavour to avoid the fish in order to allow them to survive, to grow and to provide fish for the future. And I am disappointed that the Council is not here today, because our problem and our difference is with the Council, not with the Commission, and I hope that they get a very clear message from this morning's session that they must engage with us and resolve this issue.